a little bit of mold going in my lines, and this is the vent tube, which I normally have it fitted. This is a recent add-on I did this last couple months. Basically what it was supposed to do, this tank constantly sloshes around when I'm off-roading, and a lot of times it gets pushed up to the vent. And in the past years I have never drained this and never had mold until I think I added this breather. Basically the goal was to have, you know, when it pushed water up, it would go into here and it would just store it here, but it was still able to vent. But I think there's a little bit of a restriction. Plus these are meant for oil, and the internals of this is starting to rust. Some of the stuff inside are just like bare steel parts. So I'm gonna get rid of this, gonna try something new, but to fix the mold issue, I'm gonna have to run bleach through the system and let it sit, and hopefully it cleans it all out. All right, I just did a water flush right now. I filled it up, or emptied whatever water I had in it, filled it back up with just all plain water. Now I'm draining out all that water, and then I got this 6-gallon jug here. I have just shy of, I think a quarter ounce, I think it's a quarter ounce of bleach in here, and I'm gonna fill. All right, I got the truck running. System is filled with bleach right now. Truck's running because it's preheating the water right now, and I'm basically circulating the water right now. And as you can see, I don't know if I can get this, but yeah, still see it looks like it's cleaned up a lot of it. It was a lot darker. Went for a quick drive that allows the tank to slosh around. I had this thing recirculating. Basically, by it's recirculating, it's pumping water, you know, back into itself, and it's being preheated by the heat exchanger. But if you look at the lines right here, you see the mold is all gone. And the one back here, a little hard to see, but that one looks crystal clear as well. The only line that I still got to do is the breather one. There's no way I can have water recirculate through this, but I may just take this out and run a brush through it, or I may just replace this section of hose. But this breather here is gonna go away. I'm gonna try something different. All right, so after having the bleach and water run through the system and drained it all out, and I've done several clean water flushes through the system to make sure I got all the bleach cleaned out, I made a new breather here, very cost effective. Basically, it's a SmartWater bottle. And what I did was I 3D printed an adapter here that allows me to insert this into the hose, thread into the SmartWater bottle, and then on the top here I made a hole at the top, and water as it sloshes around will spray up into here. I didn't want it spraying all the way out, so I 3D printed this insert here with the SmartWater logo on top. And what that does is whatever water gets in here, it makes it really hard to shoot out the top, but it has plenty of vents for water, or I mean air, to get out. And I've been running the system for a couple months now, and I haven't had any excess water spray out. And I know water is getting in here because you can hear it when we're driving. But overall, I'm happy with the results, and back to clean, mold-free water tank.